is the weather synopsis for the Sierra and western Nevada. A fast-moving cold front will bring winds and some light snow showers tonight into early Thursday morning. Strong, cold north to east winds are expected tonight and Thursday. High pressure moves in Friday for warmer conditions, but then there is potential for a change to a more active weather pattern by Sunday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Greater Lake Tahoe area. Lake wind advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday for Lake Tahoe. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of snow after midnight. Lows 14 to 24. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs 31 to 41. Northeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows 17 to 27. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Friday, sunny. Highs 47 to 57. Light winds. Friday night, clear. Lows 25 to 35. Light winds becoming southwest around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Saturday, sunny. Highs 47 to 57. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Reno, Carson City, and Linden area tonight. Partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain and snow in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of snow after midnight. Snow level 5,500 feet lowering to the valley floor. Lows 20 to 25. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming sunny. Highs 40 to 45. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows 18 to 28. East winds around 10 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light. Friday, sunny. Highs 55 to 60. Light winds becoming southeast around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, clear. Lows 24 to 34. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs 60 to 65. Light winds becoming southwest around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. The following is the recreational forecast for Lake Tahoe. Lake wind advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. Today, partly cloudy. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Highs 42 to 47. Wave heights up to 2 feet. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Scattered snow showers. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming north 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Lows around 18. Wave heights 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. East winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour, increasing to 40 miles an hour in the afternoon. Highs around 36. Wave heights 1 to 4 feet. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK58 in Reno. Operated by the National Weather Service and broadcasting from Slide Mountain on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here are the 2 p.m. observations. At Reno, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 57 degrees with a dew point of 18. The relative humidity was 21%. Winds were west at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The pressure was 29.89 inches and falling. At Carson City, the temperature was 54. Winds were southwest at 6 miles an hour, gusting to 21. At Minden, the temperature was 52. Winds were west at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 20. Instead, the temperature was 52. Winds were northwest at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 28. On Slide Mountain, the temperature was 32. Winds were northwest at 9 miles an hour. At Pyramid Lake, the temperature was 48. At Susanville, the temperature was 54. Winds were north at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 24. At Fallon, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 56. Winds were northwest at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Hawthorne, the temperature was 54. At Lovelock, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 50. Winds were northwest at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24. At Tonopah, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 49. Winds were north at 30 miles an hour, gusting to 43. Once again at Reno, it was 57 degrees under partly sunny skies. Along Interstate 80 and across central California to the coast at Sacramento, it was sunny with a temperature of 69. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 47 at Blue Canyon and 60 at San Francisco. At Truckee, it was cloudy with a temperature of 45. In the eastern Sierra and south along Highway 395, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 44 at South Lake Tahoe and 67 at Bishop. At Mammoth Lakes, it was fair with a temperature of 48. Lake wind advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday for Lake Tahoe. East winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour expected. Waves 2 to 4 feet. The areas affected include Lake Tahoe. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: small boats, kayaks, and paddle boards will be prone to capsizing and should remain off lake waters until conditions improve. Check lake conditions before heading out and be prepared for a sudden increase in winds and wave heights. Consider postponing boating activities on the lake until a day with less wind. The following is a special weather statement. An inside slider type system will bring snow showers, gusty northerly winds, and a brief period of colder temperatures this evening through Thursday. Although snowfall totals are expected to be on the light side, these types of systems are notorious for creating variable snow amounts. Western Nevada and the Sierra will have a chance of receiving accumulating snowfall this evening, spreading south along the eastern Sierra into Thursday. Motorists should be prepared for possible winter driving conditions, particularly during the Thursday morning commute. Expect northerly wind gusts between 25 and 40 miles per hour at times for valleys tonight and Thursday, with gusts over exposed ridges along the Sierra Crest up to 100 miles per hour. Hazardous boating conditions, aviation and ski impacts, and concerns for high-profile vehicles will continue through Thursday. South and northern Owens Valley, north winds of 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 50 miles per hour are expected Thursday, with gusts as high as 60 miles per hour possible. Breezy winds on Thursday combined with afternoon highs in the 30s to lower 40s in valleys will result in a chilly day. Wind chills in the High Sierra with temperatures between 0 and minus 25 degrees will create a risk for frostbite and hypothermia. This is the weather synopsis for the Sierra and Western Nevada.